Now let me explain how to fix the AI video marker errors in CapCut, as you can see here, for a smoother experience. On PC, as you can see here now. First, always check your internet connection for issues. The AI video marker operates through CapCut's cloud servers, ensuring efficient processing and performance. A weak or unstable connection often causes issues, as you can see. Generation errors or even freezing issues can occur, as seen, or endless loading, which can be frustrating. Now, let's try restarting your CapCut completely to fix the issues. Close the program using Task Manager, then open it again carefully. Open it again, just like this. Simply reopen it, and as you can see here, many AI tool errors will disappear quickly. They disappear quickly after you restart the program carefully. If it still doesn't work, try clearing the cache in the application settings. In CapCut, clearing the cache is essential, as it's the dirt that slows down your app's performance and functionality. It's running very slowly and experiencing severe lag. Thank you all for watching. Wishing everyone good luck and goodbye.